Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be plotting numbers on a number line, both positive and negative. So when you are plotting a point, you have to pick a starting point. Most likely this is going to be 0. 0 is a great starting point because it is kind of like the bridge between your positive and your negative numbers. So the next thing you need to make sure is that your spacing is very even throughout. You can't jump 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, 13. There is no real order to that, and it does not make sense. So like when we are graphing, we have to have this in a certain order. And then your last step is to plot your numbers. So let's take a color here. Let's go with black to make the number lines. So here's my first example. I want to plot the number 2. So I'm going to draw a number line, and I'm going to mark 0. It does not necessarily need to be in the middle. It is helpful if it is, though. So label a couple things on both sides so your reader knows exactly what you are plotting. So I have a -1, a -2, and a -3 on this side. I'll put a 1, a 2, and a 3 on this side. Let's change colors. Let's go to blue. Here I am at 2, and I'm going to color in the entire circle and plot it right on the line, and there is my number plotted. Let's try the next one. This one's going to be a little different because it is a decimal. So 3.5, number 2, we could really write as 3.5, or we can kind of think of it as 3.5. So start with plotting your 0. Here is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's do a few negatives. So let's switch to blue to plot the point. So we're at 3.5. So it's going to be in between +3 and +4, probably about halfway. So it's going to be somewhere right around there. And I would also label that 3.5 so the reader understands exactly what number you're trying to plot. So I did run out of room, unfortunately. So this number 3 we're going to do right up here. We're going to plot -4. Switch back to black to make our number line. Here I am at 0, 1, and 2. And let's plot some negatives since we are plotting in the negative range. -1, -2, -3, and -4. And all I'm doing is going to color in and plot my point. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below if you have any questions for me. And make sure you share this video with a friend who could benefit from this tutorial. Thanks for watching.